in what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of pulses costing 15 and 20 per kg respectively so as to get a mixture worth 16.50 per kg? Now, this is a very simple type of alligation question where we have to mix two varieties and we are given the cost prices of the two varieties. Now, when we are given the mixture is worth some value, this is nothing but the cost price of the mixture. So always remember, write down the first cost price which is mentioned in the question in the left top corner, the second cost price in the right corner, and here it should be cost price of the mixture. Now after that it has to be cross subtraction. So subtract the smaller value from the bigger value. That will give you the ratio of quantities. So let's do it over here. The first cost price is 15. The second cost price is 20. And the cost price of the mixture is 16.5. So if we cross subtract 20 minus 16.5, that gives us 3.5. And 16.5 minus 15, that gives us 1.5. So this gives us the ratio of the quantities. If you are getting confused with the decimal point, you can eliminate that. You can write this down as 35 is to 15. You can reduce it further, divide it by 5. That will give you 7 is to 3. So the answer here is option C, 7 is to 3.